I'm Alex.
I'm Grant.
And I'm Abhijit.
I'm a master's student at Brown, concentrating in computer science.
So am I.
And I'm currently based in Singapore, working as a software engineer at Visa.
We have all been job seekers at one point in time, and that's when we discovered a widespread problem in the tech recruitment process. If you're applying to tech jobs today, you'd most likely be employing a procedure known as spray and pray. What is that? Well, you submit applications to as many companies as you can, then you wait for a response.
So let's just say you apply to 20 companies a week and they each get back to you with a coding test. You complete that one and they send you another. That's a lot, but that's not all. You see, each of these tests tend to not be relevant to the actual job scope, but you're still required to do it anyway because that's just how it is.
This introduces two problems. First, these technical assessments are repetitive and redundant because they're so similar to each other. Second, since they aren't related to the eventual job, the results aren't meaningful anyway.
Now, this isn't just a problem for job seekers. Recruiters actually do the same thing as well. They also spray and pray, sending out tons of recruitment offers on LinkedIn, hoping to find a suitable candidate.
If you think about it, this really is a problem of disconnect between tech job seekers and recruiters.
And that's why we are coming up with a solution.
DeCert. DeCert is a certification platform that assesses the technical skill set of job seekers. We do this by offering standardized certification tests with their results recognized by companies as an accurate measure of their skills.
This is how it works. Say I'm looking for a front-end developer job. I get on DeCert and I complete a front-end development pathway. A pathway is a series of certification tests that encompasses the skills required of a particular role. For me, this could be Figma modeling, HTML and CSS, and building a React web page. I get certified for all of these tests, and my scores get updated on my profile, and my profile is added into a database.
This database is essentially a talent pool of developers verified by DeCert. Now, say I was the hiring manager of a startup, and I'm looking for a front-end developer to join my team. I'd sign up for one of DeCert's subscription plans, and this gives me access to this talent pool. I'm going to filter through all these candidates according to the skills that I'm looking for, and I'll get in contact with the ones I'm interested in.
This solves several problems. First, the technical assessments that DeCert provides are role-based, and this means that they assess the skills that are actually needed for the job. Job seekers also only have to do each test one time, and this all just means that it's fairer and easier for them to apply for a job they want.
Companies also benefit from DeCert. They're able to find talent more easily, and this means lower hiring time, effort, and costs, and a more streamlined hiring process in general. Job vacancies are filled more quickly, and this improves productivity of the company.
And that's why we're building DeCert. We want to make hiring better, easier, and more efficient, and we'd love to do it with the help of B Lab.